Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring both earbuds and the charging case have sufficient battery. At least 20% is safest. Once powered, remove both earbuds from your ears and power them off manually if they are on. Make sure the case is closed, wait 3 to 5 seconds, then open the case to wake devices. This clears transient states and prepares the earbuds for the reset sequence. Once done, keep them in the case and proceed to the next step without pairing. You now perform the core reset. Press and hold the touch surface or physical button on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. While holding, watch the LED behavior on each bud and the case. The lights may blink, flash alternately, or show a steady pulse depending on model. Keep holding until you see the specific reset pattern, typically a rapid blink then a pause, then release. This forces factory settings and clears Bluetooth pairings, so the earbuds forget previous connections. After releasing, close the case and wait 10 seconds to let the earbuds reboot fully. Open the case, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer, and select JBL Vibe from the available devices. Pair as usual. If the earbuds do not appear, make sure other paired devices are disconnected, reboot your phone, and repeat the pairing step. If pairing still fails, perform the reset sequence once more. As a troubleshooting tip, note the serial number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.